What would the world look like without women in STEM? That we can actually really understand things that are happening right now. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. We only have a certain amount in studio, otherwise this could be like a 20-part series. But I'm just going to start and I'm going to read through various insights that's going to help you to understand the challenges that we deal with. So let's take the first one. And I really want us to paint a picture of this problem of women in STEM, what surprises you, what's not surprising you, and what challenges you are seeing. But let me open. So, tech bias that hurts women. Let's talk about crash test dummies. They're based on male models. They only found out recently. I think women are 73% more likely to be seriously injured in a car crash. Then voice recognition tech underperforms for women. So studies have systems like Google and Apple Assistants are significantly less accurate with female voices. AI hiring tools have already discriminated against women. Amazon scrapped its AI recruitment tool because it downgraded resumes with the word woman in it. Medical systems that ignore women. Clinical trials still underrepresented for women. Dosages and the side effects are often based on male biology, leading to misdiagnosis and dangerous treatments. Women's pain is underestimated. In ERs, women wait longer for pain meds and are more likely to be misdiagnosed, especially in heart attacks. Algorithms reinforce inequality. Social media AI amplifies polarization. Studies have shown that algorithms prioritize outrage, yet women in tech ethics are underrepresented in shaping these systems, which we're always talking about. Facial recognition falls for women of color, or fails for women of color. MIT research showed error rates up to 35% for black women compared to less than 1% for white men. That's scary. Still used in policing. The innovation economy is missing half the picture. Only 2% of global venture capital goes to women. So the next big idea is solving women's challenges, often underfunded and ignored. I know that this is a big conversation happening with G20 at the moment. Tech products still reflect male-dominated teams, from fitness trackers that ignore menstrual cycles to health apps without maternal health features. Polarization grows when STEM lacks empathy. Now that word empathy has lost its meaning, but it is so important. AI tools trained on biased data reflect societal gaps. And when only one group controls the inputs, the outputs reinforce inequality. Deepfake technology is used disproportionately to target women. Women are the subjects of over 90% of deepfake content. Without women shaping digital policy, this abuse is going to escalate. This isn't a diversity issue. It's a design flaw in the future, and it's happening right now. So if we don't solve this problem of having more women in STEM, we are going to enter a very challenging time. So ladies, please take the floor.